Hey everyone, welcome back. Okay, today is the first day. We are boarding MSC from Italy and we're gonna be on here for 7 days and I can't wait to show you everything about this. It's gonna be so fun here with our good friends here. So let's go explore this beautiful ship. If you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here, turn on the notification bell so in the time and day I release my video.
The MSC Orchestra, built in 2007, is a mid-size cruise ship carrying around 2,550 guests at double occupancy and up to 3,223 at full capacity. It's staffed by about 1,000 crew members, creating a comfortable 2.5 to 1 passenger to crew ratio. Blending Italian elegance with modern amenities, the orchestra offers the perfect balance of luxury, entertainment, and personalized service on the high seas.
So we're on the 13th floor for the buffet. Look at all this fresh fruit here. Pizza. This is all the pizza. I think I'm gonna lay off the pizza a little bit. There's some bread. Here's a salad bar. I like how they kind of pre-made for you already. And there's some little sandwich right here. There's rice, spaghetti, pasta, beef sauce. That looks good. I'll try that a little bit. I like the plate, it's a little small, but it's okay. You kind of refrain your eating too much. And this one here is the grilled fish, tomato. I just realized the big place right here. It's okay. I changed my mind. I'm gonna get myself a pizza. Alright, we're gonna try the pasta with a beef sauce. There's mushroom in here too. Need a little salt. Other than that's not bad. Put some salt now. Fruit sauce is good. Burger, look at that. We cut a quarter size. It's nice. The bun is not soggy. The beef patty is not dry. It's just very simple, you know, ketchup, mustard. Right, turns out the other side is different. There's a grill here, so we're gonna see what I have. Mediterranean style burger, barbecue burger, hot dog, corn, cut fritter, and there's a meatball right there. Try the barbecue. Some pasta salad. There's a calamari salad. Wait, do you take the whole thing? I guess you do. Okay. There's a couscous, vegetable, Greek salad sandwich, tortilla wrapped with grilled chicken, some veggie stuff. But we should eat a little burger. No flavor. To put something, it's like they should put olive oil. It could be really good. They need to put some kind of dressing or salt on there. Calamari is fresh.
You need something in there.
Yeah.
We should have tried to put
So this one is the barbecue pork. Down there's a barbecue beef, barbecue pork. Very soft. The pork. This is good. The barbecue one. That thing is good. Alright, so I want to show you our room 11005. And here's the room key. So this is the balcony room. When you first walk in, let me turn the camera around to show you guys. That's the door I just walked in. One side is your closet, the other side is your bathroom. And the closet is actually pretty big because we already put our clothing in there. So you can see there's a lot of hanger right here. It holds a really big luggage. So if a 1, 2 luggage and 3 luggages and a life jackets on the top. Hopefully we won't need to use that. Here is more shelving. Safety box. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bathroom. Very straightforward toilet, shower. Because the way that they curve it give you more room, and you see how they have a divider so the water shouldn't come out, although the curtain is kind of weak because you may get water outside a little bit, but there's a drain down there. And then look at the space here. It's actually not bad. It has quite a few space putting your stuff. There's a 1 shelf, 2 shelf. So it's a pretty roomy bathroom. You can see I'm over here right now. You can't really, I mean, if you do a sideway, you can open your arm. You know, not too bad, not too bad. And I like the mirror on both sides so you can see yourself like this. And then the soap is already built in here. They also have a shampoo and conditioner built in already. To shower. It's kind of old looking, but hey, you know what? It's not a new ship and they do the best they can. Overall, it's a pretty clean, pretty clean. I really like that. Carpet, you can see, personally not my favorite color, but pretty clean. But their bedding is kind of sad. You see that? There's a rip down there. Nightstand has 2 drawers inside. 1, 2, 3. A lot of space. But I found on this side, there's no plug-in for charger. I don't get it. So I think they need to improve that. And over here, there's a big mirror right in front. It made the room look much more bigger. There's a little small sofa in the corner and a little small table. And that's my workstation. Chair inside, all the plugs right here. So it's weird that they don't have a plug on the nightstand. Unless they're hiding somewhere else, I don't see it. And if you look very closely, some of the furniture is kind of falling apart. But at a glance, they look pretty good. They look pretty good. And we have the balcony room outside. It's pretty nice, pretty standard. This is our room for the next 7 days. Okay, let's go. Oh, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about our room. We're on the deck 13, and that's where the pool and some activity here. It's not too bad, and you see people are doing stuff here. Oh, there's a smoking area here. Awesome. We'll just stand right over here. Not huge, but I think it serves a purpose. They do have a gelato here. I'm gonna be here for 7 nights. 7 nights. Buffet entrance is maybe get some coffee, right? Yeah, why not? Coffee. Love that you can make your own iced coffee, but they don't open all day, only for certain hours. But hey, I'll take it. I have some cheese thing here. Oh, they have the fish. Okay, that's nice. How did I miss that earlier? There's more stuff here. How did I miss all that earlier? And they also have a carving too. Okay. Wow, okay, their buffet is a lot more bigger than I thought, so. They even have an Indian cuisine. What? How did I miss this whole thing? How did I? Oh my god, they have a curry. Oh, I love it. That's how they're closing the buffet. They're gonna change for dinner. Wow, we totally missed out a complete side. That's crazy. There's a photo gallery area. They have all-inclusive digital photo package, €149. Wow. Photo gallery area. Pretty nice. I do like the chair, this little sofa here, kind of like an old school look. Pretty nice. There's another bar right here. This strip is actually pretty big. Pretty big. So we're on the 7th floor. The photo lounge, photo shop is here. Future Cruise, Sea Lounge, Shanghai restaurants over there, car room, on beach casino. Oh, 7. Lounge bar here. Pretty nice. Merchandise, beauty product. So we are on the 7th floor. Okay. Oh, down there is a casino. Casino. Let's go check it out. So for €39, you have a Oriental dining restaurant here. It's Asian food. They only open when it's in the open sea. So decent casino. Hey, you don't see this at Disney Cruise. Okay, they have a golden lock. I'm looking for the one that Rich showed me. The three little pig. Spent all the money here, right? Very dangerous. Oh my god, they even have this right here. Yeah, I wonder how much you need to play to get this out. 2. Oh, look at this lounge here, so pretty. Oh wow, this is a nice size. And the chair, it's a velvet chair. Wow, this is nice. Very, very nice. I'm definitely gonna come here and watch this on show. Alright, so today's the first night. We're at the fine dining area. It's part of the cruise package. And this is the Villa Borghese. And let me show you what I have. So I ordered the melon with prosciutto. Then let's see how this tastes. Wow, they give you a lot of pieces. Not bad. I do think they cut a melon too thin. The prosciutto is good.
If you're thinking about it like in a chicken soup style.
Alright, the entrees here. This is the boneless rib roast. There's a little 3 potato cube and some green beans. And some had a sauce on top. Flavor is good. Need a little salt, but the pork is a little tough. But that's supposed to be a cinnamon sauce with apple cake. Not very sweet. Almost like that banana bread texture. I think the buffet deserves better.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is just day 1. We have 7 more cruise videos coming up, and I can't wait to share them with you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon!
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.